Welcome back to my channel. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is Annette here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to install this Brazilian water wave wig. So yeah, if you want to learn how to install this, keep on watching till the end. Also, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what to tell you at this point but I'll wait. Okay, hopefully you click the button. Now let's get into the video. So first off, as you can see, I just have my cornrows in. I know they look crusty dusty. Yeah, just don't look at them for too long. But I'm going to tie them back into a ponytail so they're out the way. Now I'm going to take the stocking cap and put it on my head so we can do the wig cap method. Make sure when you're doing this, you put it over your ears too so you know it's secure when you're gluing it. I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty foundation and I'm just going to apply that to the front of the wig cap. Now we're going in with our Got2b glue spray. I'm just using this to glue the cap down. Just to speed up the process a little bit, I'm going to use my blow dryer. Now I'm just going in and cutting the wig cap because it's obviously too long and I don't want it to show through the wig. I'm just adding a little bit more foundation to the front so it looks more blended, and I'm also going to be adding foundation higher up. Here's the wig I'm using. As you can see, the lace is already tinted, so I really don't have to add foundation onto it. First, I'm just spraying back the hair so I don't cut it while I'm cutting the lace. Now we're just gonna glue down the lace. Once again, I'm just taking my blow dryer to speed up the process. Now I'm gonna go in and cut the lace, and for this I like to cut really close to the hairline just because I don't like when lace is still showing. To get rid of the white residue, I'm just going to be using the Got2b glue. Time for baby hairs. Okay, so this part low-key took me a long time. I don't know why, because the baby hairs are already pre-cut. But yeah, I already went ahead and cut the baby hairs some more just to get them at a length that I like. Now I'm just gonna style with the invisible Got2b glue. I like using this for edges because I feel like it's less messy. I'm just adding a little bit of mousse to my baby hairs, and then I'm going to take my scarf and wrap my edges. Usually I just keep this scarf on for about 10 minutes so that they can dry. Okay, so this hair is kind of already in like the middle-ish part, but I prefer a side part, so I'm just parting the hair. Okay, so now that all that is done, I'm just gonna style my hair. This is what it looks like in its natural state. You can wear it like this if you want, but me personally, I want to wear it more like a wet look. So first, I'm gonna take my spray bottle and just spray all over the hair. For a beauty store wig, this wig is actually bomb. Y'all, look at the definition. Do you see this? It is kind of tangled. Now I'm gonna take the Cantu coconut curling cream. Ew, there's a big glob of hair in this. I don't know who keeps using my hair products. But stop. Stop. You know who you are. So now, just to finish it off, I'm gonna take the coconut curl frizz defying mousse over all the curls. This is the finished look. This hair is bomb. Look at this. This is beautiful. I'm sure if you go to any of your local beauty hair supply stores, you can find a wig just like this. I know the price of this was like, I think $160 or something around that price, but yeah, it's really inexpensive for a wig that was already pre-plucked, already had edges cut. Like, I'm just gonna give you guys a closer look at the wig. Hold on, my charger's on my phone. Okay, so this is what we're working with. Yep. This wig was really easy to install, and it's definitely a beginner-friendly wig, so yeah. So, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.